Okay, let's see what this one got. Okay, nothing exploded yet. Let's hope it's also putting out. And awesome! Look, 6.4 amp. Are you happy too? We made it! We've made it! Oh yeah, we need that. Thank you. Really cool. Only our one panel is already producing more than we are consuming. Right now the fridge is running, AIS is running, VHF is running, as well as the stereo. Let's take a look at the sky. You probably don't see this. It's just gonna wash out, but it's overcast, cloudy. Power independence!
About 2 months until we leave for our sailing adventure, one of the major remaining projects is to install renewable energy sources. We chose a combination of solar and wind energy. 3 solar panels with a total peak output of 990 watts and a 420 watt wind generator. Ideally, we will not have to run the engine or diesel generator to charge our batteries. If so, times to search and stop for diesel, drain on our cursing kitty and our ecological footprint are greatly reduced. Sightseeing in New York City.
It's our farewell tour, huh?
Probably, yeah.
Almost 5 years we've been living here.
Yes, and it comes to an end. What do you think? Do they need to polish it every now and then?
Probably.
It's a lot of work, I can imagine.
But you'll have that water spots all over if you don't, I guess.
I'm so glad we only have 47 foot of them. Hudson Yards is the largest private real estate development in the United States by area. The first phase recently opened and we wanted to check it out before we left New York City.
So, bikini shopping?
Not in the store, probably.
Save the oceans, come on, we like that. Let's go bikini shopping. They are creating clothes made out of plastic. Let's go inside. Gil is already inside. Gil! Okay, maybe this is not my new swimsuit. If this was New York, I would have guessed they made a spelling mistake. $290 for trunks.
They forgot the point between 2 and 9. The mall contains many high-class shops, restaurants and an interesting collection of different arts. Overall, not our typical hangout place, but very seemly for Manhattan. Okay, downward facing dog. The kids are doing yoga.
It was really nice spending 3.5 weeks with our family and friends in Germany. We have seen them far too little since we moved to the US. Saying goodbye this time felt different though. Once we start our sailing adventure, we'll even be further away from home. Fortunately, we have a guest cabin on board Nomad.
Don't treat your love like a passport. Getting stamped on every page. It'll fill up before you know it, with places you visit but never stay. Halifax for the summer. I spent the next one in Vancouver. Both cities are by the sea, and both sit in hills and valleys. But these highways can be veins stretched across our nation's body. And I am just one cell, one piece of this puzzling country. Coast to coast.
Dr. Van.
Thank you for watching Real Sailing. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified when new episodes become available.